Good morning, everyone. Hope all of you can see me clearly. Right. Let's start today. The same sample paper discussion. Good morning, everyone. So let's start one new paper today. Okay, let's start this paper. Hope all of you can see me clearly and hear me clearly. The first question it is about pair of linear equations. Is my voice clear, everyone? One minute. We'll make it more clear. The first question given here it is 2x is equal to 5y plus 6, and another equation 15y is equal to 6x minus 18. They represent two lines. Then which type of lines they represent? What kind of lines they are? What kind of lines? Can you find out which type of lines they are? Is font clear what I'm writing on the board? Yes, Lena, correct. They are intersecting lines. Can you see what is the second question? Yes, I am adjusting the screen. Good morning, Srinivas. Now screen is okay. First question, because first you change them into correct order. What? General form. 2x minus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. First equation. And the second equation, 6x plus 15y we have to send that side. Minus 15y minus 18 is equal to 0. You said they are intersecting. Let us check they are intersecting or not. A1 by A2. Find out A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 15. After cancellation, again 1 by 3. C1 by C2 minus 6 by minus 18. After cancellation, again 1 by 3. Some of you said linear, but are they linear? Intersecting. Are they intersecting? We got all the three equal, no? So we got A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So which type of lines they are now? So it is okay, no? You can see board. One second, I am adjusting camera. Okay, 1 minute. I will make it clear to you. I think now it is okay. Okay. Now the second question. Let's see the second question now. Question number 2. The empirical relation between mode, median, and mean of the data is. It's not a calculation. Directly, you have to decide which formula is correct. The empirical relation between mode. Yeah, they are coincident lines. First question option is option C. First question answer is option C. Now second question. The empirical relation between Mean, median and mode. The empirical relation between mean, median and mode. It is important formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Now tell me where we have that 3 median minus 2 mean. Option A. First option only. Option A. Remember this formula in statistics. Yeah, correct. Now I am going to the next question. Question number 3. What is the area of semicircle of diameter D? Area of semicircle of diameter D. Area of semicircle. If diameter is given, how do we find area of semicircle? If diameter is given, how do we find area of a semicircle? We know area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2. This is question number 3. But what is r? 2r is equal to d. R is equal to d by 2. So in the place of r, what we should write? D by 2 we have to substitute. So it becomes pi into d by 2 whole square by 2. Pi into d by 2 whole square by 2. So that will become pi into d square by 4 by 2. 2 means what? 2 by 1. So this will become pi into d square into by 4 into 1 by 2. So that will become pi d square by 8. Pi d square by 8 is correct option. Pi d square by 8. That is 1 by 3, 1 by 8 pi d square. 1 by 8 pi d square. So option is C, not B. Area of circle is pi d square by 4. Area of circle is pi d square by 4. Okay. Semicircle will be pi d square by 8. Next question. Question number 4. Answer. The ratio of HCF to LCM. The ratio of HCF to LCM of the least composite number and the least prime number is. We should find out ratio of HCF and LCM to the least composite number and least prime number. What is the least composite number we have? 4 and least prime number is 2. So HCF of 4 comma 2. HCF of 4 comma 2 is 2. LCM of 4 comma 2 is 4. Now we have to find out ratio. Ratio of HCF and LCM is equal to 2:4. That is 1:2. 1:2. Option A, not option B. Because we want ratio of HCF and LCM, not LCM and HCF. So it is 1:2, not 2:1. Now question number 5. Question number 5. The roots of the equation are. Whoever got answer, you type in the chat. Okay, question number and option you type. We want the roots of x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. X square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Find the roots of x square minus 10 plus X square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Which of the two are roots here? Option. Take the factors of 10, 2 and 5. We want plus 3. So minus 2 plus 5 we take. When factors are minus 2 and plus 5, roots are plus 2 and minus 5. So here it is going to be x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 5 minus 2 common, x plus 5. So x plus 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to 2. So minus 5 and plus 2. Option A again. Question number 6. Try this question number 6. Question number 6. One second, I am adjusting the camera properly. Last few days we are not using, no? So not okay. Now I think it is okay now. So now root 96. So first one is root 6, root 24, root 54, and so on. Like this it is there. We want the next term. Next term it is what, root 6. But here it is what, root of 4 into 6. This is root of 9 into 6. So it is root 6, 2 root 6. Next it should be 3 root 6, and the next one should be 4 root 6. So 4 root 6 is what? 4 root 6 can be written as root of 16 into 6. Root of 16 into 6 is root 96. So option B. Now question number 7. The distance between minus 1 comma 7 from the x-axis. Distance from minus 1 comma 7 from x-axis. Do you remember distance from x-axis is what? Distance from x-axis is what? Distance from y-axis is what? Distance from x-axis. What is distance from x-axis? What is distance from y-axis? Distance from x-axis is y coordinate. Remember, distance from x-axis is modulus of y. Distance from y-axis is modulus of x. Means what? Only positive value of x we have to take. So what is the distance from x-axis now? Because y value is 7. So answer is 7 units. So option B again. Question number 8. Question number 8, we want figure properly. So this is the figure. Check it. PQ is given parallel to BC. PB is given. AP is given. AQ is given. You have to find AC. In this, what it is given? It is given that these two are parallel, and it is also given PB6 and AQ8, AP4. We want AC. How can we find AC? Find out AC, what we have to follow? Yes, you already got. So according to basic proportionality theorem, AP by, you can take directly also because we want AC. You can write AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC because we want AC. So AP is 4, 4 by 4 plus 6, 10 is equal to 8 by AC. Because we want AC, we are doing like this. If you want QC, you can do AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Okay, after you are getting QC, if you add QC, then also you will get AC what it is. Now what it is, 4 into AC is equal to 80. So AC is equal to 80 by 4. And what it is, 20. AC is equal to 20. Now can you tell me what is QC? If I ask you QC, what is QC there? It's not 12. They're asking AC. AC is 20, not 12. Option B. AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC. Understand? Now the next question is related to circles. Try this. I think better we will do on this only. You can see more clear. I think now it is more clear. We can solve problem on this only. So now here they are asking to find length of AT. We want this value. AT is given and here angle 30 degrees also it is given. We have to find out the length of AT. Can you try? Once you try, then later again I explain it last. Let's try this. What is the answer? Did you get anyone? Just you join this OA, you get a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, AT is which side to angle? AT is adjacent side to angle, and this OT is hypotenuse. So which ratio we have to use? Adjacent and hypotenuse. Cos. So we use cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 80. By hypotenuse is 4. It is given 4. Cos 30 degrees is how much? Root 3 by 2 is equal to 80 by 4. Now we do cross multiplication. 2 into 80 is equal to 4 root 3. 80 is equal to 4 root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So 80 is equal to 2 root 3. Now it is clear, board. So option A is correct. Ninth question, option A is correct. Now once try 10th question. 10th question is also from circles. 10th question is simple. They are asking to find what is the length of x plus y. Type your answer. Ninth one, option A. Okay. 10th one, 10th one option is what? Tenth question is simple, no? We know sum of three angles in a triangle 90 degrees. So in triangle OQP, we know angle O plus angle Q plus angle P is equal to 90 degrees, correct? 180 degrees. In this 180 degrees, already we know angle Q is 90 degrees here. And we do not know O is Y, Q is 90, P is X is equal to 180 degrees. Now we want X plus Y. X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. So what it is, X plus Y is equal to 90 degrees. Option, you already know this is 90 degrees. Then sum of these two should be 90 degrees, so that sum of 3 will be 180 degrees. Option B. So let's see what is question number 11. Question number 11. Distance from the origin, coordinate geometry. How do we find distance from the origin? Distance from the origin. We can use distance formula or distance formula only, but when it is origin, we have one direct formula, that is root of, because distance is given origin here, distance between origin and a point it is, that's why it is going to be, formula is going to be d is equal to root of x square plus y square. Formula is distance is equal to root of x square plus y square, because one point is origin. Then what it is, root of minus 6 whole square 36 plus 64. So root of 100, that is 10. Option D is going to be correct answer. Correct, correct. Try question number 12. Question number 12, Akshaya correct. 3 Bala 3 correct. Manvit correct. Question number this one. Question number 12, 11 is done. Now 12. So in question number 12, information is given down. ABC is similar to QPR. ABC is similar to QPR. AC is equal to given, BC is equal to given, QR is equal to given, PR is equal to given. You have to find the value of X. So because ABC is given to similar to QPR, you draw first ABC as it is to know the corresponding sides A, B, C. Now QPR is an X triangle. You draw one triangle like this as it is first. Now check here. In the place of A, we should have Q. This is Q. In the place of B, we should have P. This is P. And this one is C is R. So here it should be R. Now we know AC is 6 and BC is 5. We also know QR. Where is QR? QR. QR is 3 and PR is X. A, B, C, A, B, C. Oh, I took wrong. Triangle. It should be taken like this. This is ABC and one more triangle. Here Q, here P, here R. Now AC is 8, AC is 6, AC is 6 and this is 5. Here QR is 3, QR is here now. QR is 3 and PR is X. Now we will understand what are corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are 6 and 3 and 5 and X. So 6 by 3 is equal to 5 by X. Now do cross multiplication. 6x is equal to 15. So X is equal to 15 by 6. Now it is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2.5 centimeters. So it is important to know what are the corresponding sides first properly. Once you know what are corresponding sides, you can find out what is the correct answer. 2.5 centimeters is correct. Yeah. Getting answer is okay, but getting correct answer is important. In exam, how fast we are doing is important and how correct we are doing. More than fast you are doing, are you doing correct or not is important. Next, question number 13. Two dice are thrown together, then the probability of getting the difference of the numbers on their upper faces equal to 3. Difference of the number should be 3. You have to find the probability of getting difference of two faces is 3. How can we get it? Difference of two faces, what are the possible outcomes such that difference of two faces is 3? We will get, we'll start with 1, 1 comma 4, because 4 minus 1 is 3. Next 2 comma 5, 2 minus 5 or 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 3 comma 6. Then similarly opposite 4 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 3 also. Next, any other numbers we have? How many outcomes we got? 6 outcomes we got. So probability will be 6 by 36. 6 by 36 is 1 by 6. What is the answer? 6 by 36 is the correct answer. Did you understand this? Now let's see next question what it is. Secant theta when expressed in terms of cot theta. We have to express secant theta in terms of cot theta. Secant theta should be expressed in terms of cot theta. How can we write secant theta? Secant theta, you know one formula we have secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. From this, what is secant square theta? Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. But we want secant theta in terms of cot. So this tan should be written in terms of cot. How can we write tan in terms of cot? Tan is 1 by cot. So we will write 1 by cot theta. 1 by cot square theta. Now we will take LCM there. Secant square theta is equal to, if you take LCM, cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta. Then we apply root on both the sides to get secant theta. So what it is going to be, secant theta is equal to root over 1 plus cot square theta by root over cot square theta is cot theta. So which option is correct? Option 14th, it's not B. 14th it is C. Root over 1 plus cot square theta is cosec theta. Cosec theta is root over 1 plus cot square theta. But we want secant theta, no. So we want secant theta. Option C is correct. Now question number 15. Let's try this 15 to 18 now. 4 questions. Pole of 6 meters height casts a shadow 2 root 3 meters long on the ground. In the sun's elevation is. Which topic it is? Applications of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry. How can we do it? Height of the pole is given and its shadow is also given. You have to find out angle. Not very difficult. You can do it. Height of the pole is given and shadow is also given. You have to find angle. Opposite side is given, adjacent side is given. You have to find angle. Draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, height is 6 meters and shadow is 2 root 3 meters. You have to find out what is this angle. You will take angle as theta. Then what happens here? Tan theta is equal to 6 by 2 root 3. 2 ones are 2, 3s are. So it is 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 is not there in the table, no? So we multiply root 3 in the numerator and denominator. So we get tan theta is equal to 3 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. 3, 3 cancel. Tan theta is equal to root 3. Where we have tan theta is equal to root 3? tan theta is equal to tan 60 degrees. So what it means, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees is correct answer. Option A, correct. Question number 16. Alpha plus beta. It's very simple. Hope you already got the answer. Question number 16 is what? Question number 16. There is no b in the polynomial. When there is no b, alpha plus beta is minus b by a, then what is going to be the result? Option D. Answer is 0 and option is D, because there is no b in that. Alpha plus beta is 0. Question number 17. A card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. The probability that the card drawn is not an ace card. Not an ace. How many ace cards are there? How many cards are there which are not ace? Then what is the probability? Question number 17 is simple. You can try it. Lena, question number 17. Question is not an ace. You should find the probability of card which is not ace. If they ask you ace card, it is 1 by 13. But they are asking not an ace, which is not an ace. How many cards are there? Total 52. From that you have to subtract all ace. Total number of cards 52. Ace cards are 4. You want which are not an ace. So cards which are not ace are 48. The probability is going to be 48 by 52. After cancellation, 12 by 13. So before you are selecting an option, it is important to check. Don't try to get quickly, okay? But see, question is not an is, but your option was wrong first. So check it properly and try to answer. Question number 18, again polynomials. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Whenever they ask you 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, I gave you one direct formula. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is alpha plus beta by alpha beta. So what is going to be result? Question number 18. Question number 18 result. Got anybody? Akshay. I said to remember this formula. It is alpha plus beta by alpha beta minus b by a by c by a. A cancel, which is minus b by c. Now onwards you can remember. If they ask you question 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, answer is minus b by c. Minus b by c, minus of minus 3, it is 3 by c is minus 7. So it is 3 by minus 7 or minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7. So option D is correct. You have to be careful about that symbol also, because you have 3 by 7 and minus 3 by 7 both. So your answer is minus 3 by 7. Let's see other two questions what they are. Assertion and reasoning. Yes. Question number 19. ABC are in AP. ABC are in AP. If and only if 2B is equal to A plus C. 2B is equal to A plus C. Is it true? Assertion. ABC are in AP if 2B is equal to A plus C. Is assertion true? See, we'll discuss when ABC are in AP, we know A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. They have to follow this. If they are in AP, they have to follow this. And what happens here? A2 is B, so B minus A1 is A. So B minus A is equal to C minus B according to the given terms. Then send B values one side, minus B will go this side, minus A will come this side. So we get B plus B is equal to C plus A. Means what? 2B is equal to A plus C. True. If 2B is equal to A plus C, then only A, B, C are in AP. If A, B, C are in AP, then 2B is equal to A plus C. So assertion is true. What about reason? Do you remember sum of odd natural numbers? Sum of first n odd natural numbers. Sum of first n odd natural numbers is true. It is n square. You can take some examples. First number if you take 1 square 1. Second number if you take 1 plus 3, you are taking two numbers, no? The result is 2 square. If you take three numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5, you are taking three numbers, result is 3 square. So if you take n numbers, result is going to be n square. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on to n numbers. If you take, result is going to be n square. Understand? So assertion is true, reason is also true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. So option B is correct. Question number 19, option B is correct. Now question number 20, the probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays is 2 by 7. Probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays is 2 by 7. The probability that a non-leap year has 53 Sundays is 5 by 7. Do you remember about this? Leap year, 53 Sundays. In a year, we will be having 365 days. In a week, we will be having 7 days. So we have to decide how many weeks will come in a year. So for that, we need to divide 365 with 7. So 7 5 is 35, 1 5 15, 7 2 is 14, 1 will be left. Means 52 times Sunday will come already, and one more day will be left, remainder. This one day can be either Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 possibilities are there, but we have only one Sunday in this. 1 by 7. This is what for a non-leap year. For a non-leap year, it is 1 by 7 probability. What about leap year? If it is a leap year, what happens? We have to divide 366. If you divide 366, what will come? 52 only will come here, but here 35, 16, 14, remainder will be 2. 2 days will be left. 2 days will be left, and our combinations will be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday also. In this, we will be having in two combinations Sunday. We have 2 times Sunday out of 7 times. Now in this case probability is going to be 2 by 7. So this is for leap year. They said for leap year 2 by 7, we also got 2 by 7, assertion is correct. Non-leap year we got 1 by 7, but they gave 5 by 7, which is wrong. So assertion is true, reason is false. Did you understand this? Let's discuss these problems also whether you know or not. 2 marks also. Tomorrow we'll discuss 3 marks and 5 marks. Question number 21. Do you know how to do? Question number 21 is about trigonometry values. Option is given. Internal choice is also given. How can we do first question? 5 into cos 60. Cos 60 value, do you remember? 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into secant 30. Secant 30 is also 1 by 2, not 1 by 2, no, it is 2 by root 3. We have to be careful about these values. 2 by root 3 whole square. 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 1 square by sin square 30 is 1 by 4 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square that is root 3 by 2 whole square. So the final result is going to be like this: 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So that is going to be 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 by, this is 4 by 4, 1 anyway. Numerator LCM we have to take 15 plus 64 minus 1 by 12. So that is 79 minus 1. 79 minus 1, 78 by 12. So that is going to be 39 by 6. And question number in that internal choice is easy. Internal choice, sin of a minus b is equal to 0. Sin of a minus b is equal to 0 means a minus b is also 0. Cos of a plus b is equal to, you have like this, 2 cos of a plus b minus 1 is equal to 0. Transpose minus 1 here first. Cos of a plus b is equal to 1. Transpose 2 also that side, 1 by 2. So at what angle we have 1 by 2 cos theta a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. So a plus b is equal to 60 degrees, a minus b is equal to 0. What happens now? Plus b minus b will be cancelled. Then 2a is equal to 60, a is equal to 30. If a is equal to 30, b is also 30. Hope you know how to do this. Second topic is easy only in trigonometry. Identity is only difficult. Can you tell me what is this answer? If a fair coin is tossed twice, 2 times it is tossed, find the probability of getting at most one head. Probability of getting at most one head. At most one head. What are the possible outcomes we have here? I am writing. We have HH, HT, PH, TT because 2 coins. And what happens? At most 1 means what? Maximum 1 we should have. Maximum 1 means HT we have, PH we have, TT also. Maximum 1 means what? You should not have more than 1. You can have less than 1. So how many favorable outcomes? 3. So probability is what? 3 by 4. You should mention what are the total possible outcomes, what are the favorable outcomes, and then probability. That is question number 22. Now question number 23, it is not about 2 plus 3 root 3 like that, but it is ratio of two numbers is given and LCM is given. So you can take, let two numbers be, you can take two numbers as, let two numbers be 2x and 3x. Two numbers are 2x and 3x. When two numbers are 2x and 3x, you know what is their LCM? LCM of 2x and 3x is equal to, you know, remember 2 into 3 into x, because different factors are 2, 3 and x. No? So LCM is just 2 into 3 into x. It is 6x. What they have given, 180 is given. 180. We'll find out x. X is equal to 180 by 6. What is x now? 30. Now two numbers are 2x is equal to 60 and 3x is equal to 90. You know what is their HCF? When you are multiplying x, that x is only HCF here, okay? Or otherwise you can find out now what is the HCF of 60 and 90. 60 and 90. HCF of 60 and 90 is 30. Nothing but x value only. Whatever you are multiplying, that constant only HCF here. So HCF is 30 here. 1 0 of the polynomial is reciprocal of the other 0. Then find the value of k. Polynomial. 1 0 of the polynomial is reciprocal of other 0. Then find the value of k. How can we find the value of k? We will discuss two more and then we stop today. Do you remember I explained one concept? Whenever they say 1 0 is reciprocal of other, we take this concept alpha into this beta is equal to c by a. Here 1 is reciprocal of other means beta we will take 1 by alpha. So in this case what happens? Alpha will be cancelled. Then we get a is equal to c. You have to remember this point. Whenever 1 0 is reciprocal of other 0, a will be equal to c. Now in this what is a? A is equal to 6. And what is c? C is minus of k minus 2. Now that is 6 is equal to minus k plus 2. Then transpose to the side. 6 minus 2 is equal to minus k. Therefore 4 is equal to minus k. Then k is equal to minus 4. In that way we can find out the value of k. See, remember what main point you have to remember: when 1 0 is reciprocal of other 0, a is equal to c. Find the sum and product of the roots of the quadratic equation. Again, alpha plus beta we have to find, and one more alpha into beta we have to find. What is alpha plus beta formula? Minus b by a. Minus b by a is what? Here minus of minus 9 by 2. So it is 9 by 2. Alpha into beta also we have to find. What is alpha into beta? C by a. C by a. C by a is what? 4 by 2, which is 2. Sum of zeros and product of zeros. Hope you understood this. Now the next one, internal choice there. 4x square minus 5 is equal to 0. We have to find out discriminant. What is discriminant formula? B square minus 4ac. Here what is a? A is equal to 4. B is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 5. You have to substitute here. 0 square minus 4 into a is 4. C is minus 5. Minus into minus plus. Okay, 16 into 5, 80. 80 is positive, no? Greater than 0. So, delta greater than 0. Which type of roots? Roots are real and distinct. So in that way, how to write the solution. Hope you understood this, all of you. 2 marks questions also. Tomorrow we'll discuss other part of the paper. Today's session is okay. No disturbances. Okay, you can leave. We'll meet again in the evening. Thank you.